What's up, everybody? I know this is a different setup from what you're used to on this channel, but I'm not at my house right now. But that doesn't mean we can't get no work done. So, um, since the last stream, I actually started working on like the profile system. I got a bit done, so it just a route to create profiles and whatnot. We still haven't implemented caching. I want to do that on stream, and I want to make sure it's working fine. But that's definitely a must-have for this API. Definitely a must-have. So, anyways, um, we're probably gonna store the profiles we retrieve here in the state because we don't want to continuously call the API. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do input name select. I'm gonna do edit select equals state. So we'll do bot set state ID chat ID user ID, and then we'll do state equals profile state edit select with bot retrieve data user ID equals chat ID data profiles. It's gonna be profiles. Great. So now instead of calling our API every single time, we could just grab the all the users' profiles from the bot state. Beautiful. So let me show you an example of this. So we'll do print profiles real quick. Run the bot. Start. So profiles. So I don't think this makes a call. That going to profiles. Okay, the callback doesn't work. That's fine. Why doesn't it work? As a matter of fact, the callback data is start, and do we register start? Oh, I'm just looking. Hold on. Okay, so callbacks, generics. Start callback equals boom boom. And we need the version. That's why it doesn't work. Let me see. Version equals OS get and bot. We'll store this in a constant so we don't repeat ourselves. Two constants. And then we can do version equals bot version. Bot util constants. And I think we have to do it for here too, right? Nope. Just this one. So this should fix this. Welcome back, Badware. What would you like to do today? Profiles. So I don't think this makes a call. That's what we were looking at. So that doesn't make an API call. It just gives you a keyboard. This one makes an API call, and that's to check whether their profiles are 3. We're probably gonna cache the profiles And edit makes a call to profiles, but we store them in the data. Just so if they select one, we can retrieve the profile body ID. Alright, so let me do existing profiles. So boom, it shows you all of them, and it gives you like a back button. That kind of looks weird, considering those have no emojis, but the back button does. Probably remove that. Can emojify our bot later. Anyways, this goes back, and this makes a call, another call to the API, which is great. But okay, so look, print profiles, and we store the profiles in the data, and we could grab. What's important is the ID and the name. You know, the messages are important too, but that's gonna be used on a different project. So boom, let's remove that, and let's show you why this is useful, because we're gonna write a callback. So let's see, def handle edit profile callback callback. Okay, so this callback would be called if the data is like profiles, edit, sample. So that would be, so we would probably do call data split, boom, action is going to be parts 1, because 0, 1, this is the action right here. The action is edit, and let's see, we'll do if length parts greater than or greater or equals to 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2. So this would be no, but see, we would have to print hey. Hold on. I'm pretty sure this should be 3. Let's see. Existing hey. Right, so that would be 3. Return handle edit profile callback callbot. This is new to me because I usually just do it here. Why is this unexpected? Oh, wrong callback, that's all. Okay, so profile name should be part 2, right? I think so. With bot retrieve data, call from user ID, call message chat ID, add data. Equals data get profiles. Print profile name, print profiles. Let's see what we get. So boom, API call. Hello. This should not be an API call. Okay, so it's actually the ID we store. do we store that? Oh, yeah, we store that in the keyboard data. So boom, we store profile ID. Which actually means we probably won't need to store this into the bot data. Not just yet. We won't need to store nothing into the bot data. Profile ID equals parts 2. That's still right. Retrieve profile from ID profile. And we have an API call for this to retrieve a profile from its ID. So boom, and get retrieve profile is big, so we need to go back into our API. Get profile identifier. I might have an idea for a better design, but I just want to get this working for right now. When I get the profile system working, I'll probably work on it.